Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an error occurred during activation at iMessage. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and facing the issue that whenever you try to activate your iMessage, you might see the error. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your iPhone settings and here just go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. Or you have to also make sure that you haven't done any software update here. Just try to update your software, then go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that, then go back from here and just go to date and time section and enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back. Now you have to go to your iMessage, just tap on apps, and here just look for iMessage or the messages app, and you just have to try to enable this toggle to activate or to enable your iMessage. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to make sure that your Apple ID has been verified. So just tap on your Apple ID, and here you have to make sure that your Apple ID has been verified. You have all the features unlocked, or you have to also make sure that you haven't this type pop-up here of verify Apple ID. If you might have, so just try to verify your Apple ID, then go back. You can also try to reset your network settings. So go to your settings in general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it might be fixed in steps. You will not get the issue again. So after doing that, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, just quickly press and leave the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if you're still not fixed your issues, you can try to contact with your carrier support. So just try to contact with your carrier support and to ensure your plan supports international SMS as this is required for activation. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to use your Apple Support app or try to contact with Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, look for messages or the iMessage here, just select this, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.